Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video I will teach you how you can create account on DeepSeek. So we will open our browser and here we will type DeepSeek, and here we will open the www.deepseek.com. okay, so here we have two options, get an app, and we will start now. Okay, so here we have a login option. If you already have an account, so you can directly log in here. You just need to put your mobile number and you will get a code, and you can also log in with the help of email and your password. And here you can see there is the option sign up, so here you will click on sign up. So here you can put your email or your phone number. I'm already in China, so it's showing that I can only register with the help of my mobile number. So here you can put your mobile number, here you will put your password, and here you will confirm the password, and then you will select send a code, and you will get a code, and you just put here, and here you will select like scientific research and sign up. Okay, and after that we will go to the login, and you can use your email or phone number and your password, and you can log in, or you can log in via getting a code. Like I just put my mobile number and I just sent a code, and here it put security. Click on the smallest red and it's okay. And now I got the code on my mobile number, and we have to put here 8667559, and here we have to confirm and then go to login option. So now I'm here in DeepSeek. Hi. So you can use your mobile number, you can use your email. It depends on your region. Like I'm already in China, so it allows us just to we can use our mobile number to create an account. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.